I'm Yana, and welcome to my travel channel, where I share destinations, stays, and eats across the world, with the goal to inspire you to explore. Today, I will be sharing the 10 best places to visit in Croatia. You'll want to stay tuned until the end for some hidden gem destinations. I have ordered the places from more popular destinations to lesser known hidden gems. So let's jump right in with number 1. Dubrovnik, a city in the very southern tip of the country, known as the Pearl of the Adriatic. It is the most famous tourist destination, known for its fortified city walls surrounding the Old Town, which are also one of the biggest attractions. The city is perfectly situated on the coast with stunning views everywhere you look, filled with harbors, beaches, and narrow alleyways. The medieval charm of Dubrovnik is hard to resist. Just be ready to climb some stairs. There is something for everyone: museums, historical forts, amazing viewpoints, and delicious food. No, seriously, you'll definitely want to try some traditional dishes and seafood. Next up is PLITVICE Lakes National Park. Croatia's largest national park and UNESCO World Heritage Site, located in the central part of the country between Split and Zagreb. PLITVICE is famous for its blue waters, greenery, and collection of interconnected lakes and waterfalls. The park is vast and has lots to offer, from hiking, boat rides, panoramic buses, and viewpoints. So make sure to plan your visit accordingly. There is also an entrance fee to be aware of that varies depending on the time of year you visit. While the falls get busy, especially on weekends and in the middle of the day, they are a must-see destination due to their natural beauty. Let's head over to Split, the second largest city in Croatia. It is located on the shore of the Adriatic Sea, another popular tourist destination. Split is a bustling, modern metropolis. You can also find history and ancient ruins in the Old Town. The ruins of the Palace of Diocletian are located within the Old Town, as well as museums, cathedrals, and plenty of culture. There is plenty to explore in this coastal town, whether you want to people watch on the promenade, enjoy some seafood dishes, or take a boat to a nearby island. Split is a good hub for it all. We're heading just 30 minutes from Split to our next destination, Trogir, a small island just off the coast from the Croatian mainland that is connected by a bridge and can be accessed by car. A historic city that has been named a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Trogir is a small medieval town that has been perfectly preserved. It feels as if you have taken a step back in history. Get lost in the narrow alleyways. You will find yourself exploring every corner. Trogir is home to a castle, a football pitch famous for its views, many shops, restaurants, and historic monuments. If you want my opinion, Trogir is one of my favorite places we saw in Croatia. Next up is Zagreb, the capital of Croatia and largest city, but not a city to be overlooked. Zagreb has a historic old town with a cathedral in the center. It also has all the makings of a modern city, with trendy neighborhoods and a great restaurant scene. While we spent less than a day in Zagreb, there is much to explore, and an area that deserves to be revisited. Let's jump to LOKRUM Island. LOKRUM Island is located just off the coast of Dubrovnik, a quick 15-minute ferry ride away. The island houses a monastery and botanical garden, but there is much natural beauty to take in, from walking paths, natural swimming pools, and peacocks. If you are into the supernatural, be aware that LOKRUM Island is said to be cursed from centuries ago, and it stays uninhabited, with it being strictly forbidden to stay there overnight. Next up is Istria. Istria is a region located on the largest peninsula in Europe, in the northwestern part of Croatia. Besides history, Istria is known for its wine region and food. Interior Istria has wineries, orchards, truffle forests, and medieval hilltop towns. Istria is home to Pula and Rovinj. Istria is famous for its fruity, dry white wines grown in what's known as Croatia's Tuscany. Whether you are looking for history, wine, or a little bit of both, Istria might just be the spot for you. A hidden gem of Croatia is STON, a small town of just 2,000 people and a place easy to miss and drive right past. STON is not to be overlooked. Unfamiliar to many, the town is home to the Great Walls of Stone, also known as the Great Wall of Europe. The wall connects Stone and Mali Stone, and the 7-kilometer-long wall is the second largest in the world after the Great Wall of China. Surrounded by 3 seas, 4 hills, and rich in natural resources, Stone has always held importance. Besides the famous walls, Stone and Mali Stone are medieval towns found on the peninsula with stunning views and a quaint atmosphere. If you are in this area, Kapetanova Kuca is a must-stop lunch spot with delicious seafood and homemade pastas. Another hidden gem is the island of Čiovo, an island located in the Adriatic just off the coast of Croatia. It can be accessed from the mainland by bridge in the old town of Trojir. There are several villages on the island: Arbania, Žedno, Okreg Gornji, Okreg Donji, Slatine, and Prizidnica. The island is filled with beaches and spectacular blue waters, making it truly feel like paradise. There are plenty of walking paths, churches, and coves to explore. A perfect spot to relax and enjoy the beach, away from some of the more popular areas and islands. Čiovo is a hidden gem and an escape just 30 minutes from Split. Last place on the list of 10 best places to visit in Croatia is TRSTENO, a village in southern Croatia located close to Dubrovnik, famous for its arboretum, which is the oldest in this part of the world. There is natural beauty, rich vegetation, and a stunning small pier. TRSTENO is home to a 450-year-old massive plane tree, which is a symbol of the village. There is a beautiful church and some small holiday homes. The perfect, quiet getaway from the busy Dubrovnik and an idyllic Mediterranean spot. And that concludes my list of the top 10 best places to visit in Croatia. Are there any that I missed? Let me know down below in the comments, and as always, please like and subscribe for more content.